Hi folks, Rich Harvey here. Are you ready to take charge of your property goals in 2024? Sure, there might be a few bumps ahead in the road with higher interest rates and cost of living, but there's also some fantastic opportunities out there. In this video, I'm going to give you 5 proven strategies to help you achieve your property goals this year. Firstly, find out your why. Before you dive into the property market, you need to ask yourself why you're doing this. Is it to create a comfortable home for your family? Is it to generate passive income from a property portfolio? Or maybe just treat yourself to that beachside pad you'd always dreamed of? Knowing your motivation will help keep you on track if things get tough. Secondly, set goals you can smash. Don't just dream big, set smart goals. Visualize your dream property, the sparkling pool, the gourmet kitchen, the home gym, if that's your thing. And then break it down into bite-sized steps. Get pre-approved for a loan by February, start searching in March, make an offer by April, and maybe you'll be popping champagne corks by May. Taking small, achievable steps will help you stay on track and motivated. Thirdly, assemble your dream team. Don't go it alone. You wouldn't climb Everest without a Sherpa. Surround yourself with the right people. You need a savvy mortgage broker to help you find the best rates, a trusted financial advisor to keep your finances healthy. You need a buyer's agent who'll buy the best property and negotiate the best price. Plus, you'll also need a great solicitor, building inspector, tax accountant, and quantity surveyor. This dream team will be your secret weapon. Fourthly, research like a detective. Now, knowledge is power. Do a deep dive into market trends, auction stats, comparable sales, days on market, neighbourhood trends and local intel. Identify those rising suburbs and check out the rental demand. Fifthly, stay accountable and celebrate the wins. You need to hold yourself accountable, whether it's to a supportive partner, family member, a trusted friend, a financial planner, or even a property goals spreadsheet. And don't forget to celebrate your wins, no matter how small or big. Do a victory dance for that pre-approval, or throw a housewarming party when you finally secure that dream home. And finally, remember, action leads to glory. Daydreaming might be fun, but turning your property goals into reality this year, you're going to need to take action. So roll up your sleeves, put your plan into motion, and watch your vision unfold like a flawless open house. With the right strategy, the right team, and a healthy dose of hustle, you can achieve your property goals this year. If you'd like some expert help with your goals, send us your wish list and connect with my awesome team of local buyers agents. They're ready to guide you every step of the way. I'm Rich Harvey. Until next time, happy house hunting.